You are sitting in an important meeting or maybe at a family function, a wedding, a puja, kuch bhi. And suddenly without warning, your eyes start watering. No reason, no emotion, बस पानी आ जाता है. And the most embarrassing part, someone turns to you and asks, अरे सब ठीक है? रो क्यों रहे हो? You try to explain, but honestly, आप खुद नहीं जानते कि क्या हो रहा है. I hear this every single week from my patients. And the thing is, most of them have already tried the different eye drops. Nothing worked because they were treating the wrong thing. Today I am going to tell you exactly what is actually causing your eyes to water and why. The most common cause is the last one you would ever guess. So first, what is happening? In medicine, we call it epiphora. But it is a symptom, not a diagnosis. Big difference. Your eye has a beautiful system. It produces tears, spreads them evenly across the surface with every blink and quietly drains them through the tiny ducts at the inner corner of your eyes. 3 steps. Even one of them goes wrong, the tears overflow. Now here's the part most people get wrong. They assume it is about too much production. ज़्यादा पानी बन रहा है तो आ रहा है. Logical, right? Not quite. The real reason is something far more surprising. Cause number 1, and please hear this carefully because this will surprise you. Dry eyes. You might ask, dry eyes causing more watering? Here's what happens. When your eyes become dry and irritated, your body panics. It floods the eye, a sudden reflex burst of tears to protect the surface. But these are not normal healthy tears. There is an emergency response. They can't stay on the surface, they can't drain properly, they just spill out. So if your eyes water more in an AC room, in front of a screen or on a windy day, dry eye reflex is likely what you are experiencing. Cause number 2, blocked tear duct. Think of it like a drain that is clogged. Your eye is making tears just fine, but they have nowhere to go. So they overflow in the front. This is very common in 2 groups. Newborns, where the duct is still developing, and in adults above 50, where the duct can narrow over time. Sometimes it causes small swelling near the inner corner of the eye or repeated infections. If you notice any of that, please don't wait. Actually, before we move forward, there is one cause I need you to hear because you are almost certainly dealing with it. In fact, you might be doing it right now while watching this video. Cause number 3, digital screen strain. Research shows we blink 15 to 20 times in a minute in normal life, but staring at a screen, that drops to barely 5 to 7 times, less than half. Blink करना ही छोड़ देते हैं हम. Without regular blinking, the tear film becomes unstable. It evaporates too fast and the eye surface dries out, gets irritated and then reflex watering begins. The irony, the very screen causing your watery eyes is the one you are using to search why are my eyes watering. Cause number 4, allergies, and I'm not talking about sneezing, rashes or anything dramatic. Sometimes it is just subtle inflammation around the eye triggered by dust pollution, pet hair, or seasonal changes. That low-grade irritation is enough to push your tear production into overdrive. If your eyes water more in the morning or in specific places, this is worth exploring. Cause number 5, eyelid position issues. This is one genuinely underdiagnosed one. Your eyelid has to be positioned just right to spread the tears across the eye and guide them into the draining duct. If it droops slightly inward or outward due to age, muscle weakness or certain conditions, the whole system goes off track. Small misalignment and big problem. आप पूछेंगे, ठीक है डॉक्टर, मैं कल से एक अच्छा आई ड्रॉप डाल लेती हूँ, हो जाएगा ना? I wish it were that simple. But here's the thing, this is exactly where most people go wrong, and going wrong here actually makes things worse. Here's what typically happens. You pick up some redness removing drops from the chemist. Your eye feels better for a day, maybe 2, and then the watering comes back, often stronger. Why? Because those drops suppress the symptoms. The root cause is still there, untouched. और ड्राई आई के केस में some common over-the-counter drops can actually disturb your natural tear balance even further. So you buy drops, feel temporary relief, stop them, it comes back. You buy again, ये cycle चलती रहती है. Now here's the most important insight from everything I have told you today. These 5 causes don't usually show up alone. I see patients every day who have dry eyes from screen use, plus mild environmental allergies, plus a slightly unstable eyelid. All three are happening together. That is why self-diagnosis keeps on going in circles, and that's why the right drops for one cause can actually be the wrong drops for another. आपकी आंखों से पानी निकलना it is not random, it is not emotional, it is not बस ऐसे ही होता है. It is a signal, and now you know what it might be saying. If this has been happening to you for more than a week, especially if it is more in one eye than the other, if there's any stickiness or discharge, or if it's affecting your vision, please get it checked. Don't brush it off. And even before you come in, start observing the pattern. When does it happen? Morning or evening, in front of the screen or outdoors, in an AC room or open air. That observation alone will make your evaluation so much more useful. अगर ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। मैं हूँ डॉक्टर सुरभि कापड़िया, योर ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट, योर आई हेल्थ पार्टनर, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।